Hey everyone, welcome to American Civics and Government. My name is Mr. Barrett. As you already know, this course explores the study of American democracy with an emphasis on the Constitution, the three branches of government, their powers and qualifications, and the rights and responsibilities of citizens. I believe the most important objective of this course is for you to become knowledgeable about local, state, and national politics and policies to understand the world around you. You will learn how individuals, groups, organizations, and governments work within the framework of the Constitution to address their concerns. Throughout the course, we will be discussing many complex and controversial issues and ideas. It is expected that we follow proper decorum in all discussions, making sure that respect is given to all points of view. The text we will be using for this course is called The American Vision. A PDF of the entire book is posted in Google Classroom, which we will use as a platform for all assignments and announcements. We will use a variety of Google apps during this course, including Google Docs, Slides, Maps, Earth, and Community. Please familiarize yourself with these apps and be sure to consult with me or the tech support staff if you have any issues utilizing them. In addition to Google Classroom, we will be using Edmodo as a platform for all formative assessments. And please join each platform using the codes I emailed you earlier today in your school Gmail. This course is divided into 4 modules, each lasting 2 weeks. Each module will include the following: 2 Edmodo assessments, 2 essays written in docs, 2 projects using a variety of technologies, and 2 discussions in Google Community on each essay. Please see the course schedule that I also attached to the email I sent you earlier today. All assessments, essays, projects, and discussions are graded on a total point system. Please see attached rubrics for essays, projects, and discussions and follow them carefully to ensure a good grade. 5 points will be deducted from the point value of each assignment for each day past the deadline. All grades will be posted in Aspen within 2 days following assignment deadlines. Please feel free to email me with any questions or concerns at any time. I am very good at getting back to my students in a timely manner. Just a little about myself. This is my 25th year of teaching U.S. history and government here in Peabody, the same town that I was raised in. I am married to my wife Lisa, and we have 2 kids together. My daughter Lindsay attends UMass, and my son Stephen will be going off to UMaine in the fall. Some of my favorite pastimes definitely spent traveling. I enjoy trail running and sampling craft beer from all over the country. For your first assignment, I would like you guys to post a YouTube video introducing yourself, just similar to what I've done today. Tell us about your educational and professional goals. How knowledgeable of the Constitution are you? Have you ever worked or fought or been involved in any level of government or an organization or movement that lobbied government? Tell us how comfortable you are in using educational technologies. What technologies have you enjoyed using? What are your hobbies and favorite pastimes? And I look forward to meeting you all and learning from all your experiences. Best of luck in the coming weeks. Thanks a lot.